left that I can say. Only sorrow for the love that we once had, that I gave to you completely and so true. Now today it's shattered, worth nothing new. The day we first met, your promise I believed, your heart you swore would only receive. In this life our paths would never break apart. You would love me always till we grew old, my heart. But our love, it faded, it could not last for long. You changed, a stranger, where did I go wrong? I watch you now, holding someone else so near. You look at me like an animal, filled with cold fear, as if my heart holds nothing, no feeling, no deeply. Tears are falling down a river from me. I cry out loudly on every lonesome path I roam, for your wicked heart that left me here alone. Oh, why did our love die? Why did it all just cease? I feared descending, long for lasting peace, but it came anyway, like a dark, relentless tide. You still left me here with nowhere left to hide. How long will this ache in my heart truly stay? Will there ever be someone who will truly save and reach out a kind hand to dry away my endless bitter tears for you today? The day we first met, your promise I believed, your heart you swore would only receive. In this life our paths would never break apart. You would love me always till we grew old, my heart. But our love, it faded, it could not last for long. You changed, a stranger, where did I go wrong? I watch you now, holding someone else so near. You look at me like an animal, filled with cold fear, as if my heart holds nothing, no feeling, no deeply. Tears are falling down a river from me. I cry out loudly on every lonesome path I roam, for your wicked heart that left me here alone. Oh, why did our love die? Why did it all just cease? I feared descending, longed for lasting peace, but it came anyway, like a dark, relentless tide. You still left me here with nowhere left to hide. How long will this ache in my heart truly stay? Will there ever be someone who will truly save and reach out a kind hand to dry away my endless bitter tears for you today? Oh, why did our love die? Why did it all just cease? I fear descending, long for lasting peace, but it came anyway, like a dark, relentless tide. You still left me here with nowhere left to hide. How long will this ache in my heart truly stay? Will there ever be someone who will truly save and reach out a kind hand to dry away my endless bitter tears for you today? The day we first met, your promise I believed, your heart you swore would only receive. In this life our paths would never break apart. You will love me always till we grew old. too high.